Hey guys, check out this asphalt shingle roof we are getting ready to remove. We're going to be installing a 4-inch wide peel and stick tape on the plywood joints and 30-pound felt 10 tag. Check it out. All right guys, so airspace wouldn't allow us to get up with the drone. So we're on a yacht right now next door to this house. Take a look at this roof. All right, so we've got the plywood coming up. We've got several rotten sheets of plywood. We're renailing the plywood to code, installing a 4-inch wide self-adhesive tape over the plywood seams. 30-pound felt is now installed with 10 tags. We'll be ready to start the drip edge and valley metal. Once that's done, we'll be ready for inspection and ready for brand new asphalt shingles. All right guys, we just replaced a ton of rotten plywood on this home. We've nailed that to code. We've re-nailed the existing plywood sheeting to code. We've installed a 4-inch wide tape on all the plywood seams. The 30-pound felt is being installed using 10 tags. Next, we're going to install the aluminum drip edge and the aluminum valley using stainless steel fasteners. All right guys, so we just got done installing this aluminum drip edge with 1.25-inch ring shank stainless steel fasteners. We're gonna install the valley, call for our inspection. Once our inspection passes, we'll be ready to install this brand new asphalt shingle roof system. All right guys, we just replaced the rotten plywood that was at this location. We also removed the galvanized flashing that was rusted out. We've replaced it with new aluminum flashing, brand new stucco. We're now ready to prime and paint these walls. All right guys, the shingles are going down right now, and I know a lot of roofers, if you're watching this, might be wondering why I'm using 30-pound felt. The reason is insurance companies are telling homeowners that their shingle roof needs to be replaced every 10 years. In the event this does have to be replaced in 10 years, it's gonna make it a lot more economical for the next company to tear off the felt. In the event the insurance company says, hey, roof is still in good condition, this felt will last 20 years just like the previous roof, we're good all the way around. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time,
See ya.